going? Oh, hey guys, I'm back. Where did I put my glasses? There. Do you like my outfit? Look, look. I have a mustache, two tattoos, and a feather. My friend gave me that. She's not my friend. Someone likes me. You guys like my hair? I forgot. I have to study for my science test. But wait. I did my very best on my history test. This is reading. But I did my very best on my history test. What did I make? $1 million for good effort. Good grades. Oh, by the way, my glasses broke last night, so I take them up. But I guess that's the end of this video. So, bye